Hey guys, Munchkin and I are taking a walk in our neighborhood. I promised to kind of show you guys around and let y'all know. Hey dog, no barking on my video. The doggy wants to say hi. You're not tapping nice. Anyways, I promised to take y'all around and show y'all why I chose this neighborhood when the realtor was showing me different places. So when I originally met with the realtor, I gave her a budget and she was like, are you open to 1-bedrooms? Because my budget was really small. And I said, yeah, sure, show me what you got. Because it was really important for me to stick to my budget, which was actually 10,000 pesos at the time. And so she showed me a bunch of 1-bedrooms that were downtown, and I didn't want to be downtown. I really wanted to be in the north. I wanted to be closer to where I thought Munchkin School was going to be. A house here. I'm not on my street directly. I'm adjacent, but there are some beautiful houses in this neighborhood. You can't really see this house because the wall, but even look at this one. Yeah. But yeah, I'm just walking down to the end of the block there. So I chose this neighborhood, as I said, because it's really close to where I frequent as someone who has lived here for 2 years. It's very close to Alta Brisa Mall, and that's somewhere that I go to all the time for grocery shopping. Munchkin meets up with her friends there in the teen club all the time. There's a Walmart that I could walk to if I really wanted. It's a 12-minute walk. I don't really walk there because there is a Super Aki, which is a 4-minute walk. That's where we're actually heading right now. And the Super Aki is like a smaller grocery store. So you don't get everything, but we just need some basics. I'm gonna get some bread, some milk, you know, the usual things. So that will be enough. I don't need to do a huge grocery shop right now. So that's why I like this place, because I can just walk to the grocery store like that and pick up a few little things. I'm gonna have to drive or call an Uber to go to the grocery store every single time I need to go. So yeah, come with me on this walk. Also in this neighborhood, or you know, more on the main street. Oh, look at this house. This is a nice one too. I don't know if y'all can see. Nice big house. And then you can't see any of this one. This right here, just the garage. But yeah, there are a lot of like taquerias and actual taco stands in this neighborhood as well that I could walk and get some food to. I'm hoping that Mr. Flautas is open and we can get some flautas for dinner today, because today is a no-cook day. And we probably are going to have some flautas for dinner if he's there. So when we get there, I'll show you what my Mexican street food dinner is gonna look like today. I don't know what this place is. We pass by it every day. I have no idea. And there goes the VAT event bus, that big blue bus that you just saw in the clip. I don't even know if you saw it, but we are right on the bus route. So we can grab a bus if we wanted to get around town. There is the other bus that I'm never getting on that bus, because I don't know how you have buses in Yucatan without AC. No, thank you. Now, oh, he's not here. I must be too late. There's a guy, a little old man that sells honey and natural juices right out of his van, but he might have left already. We need honey. But I'm out on the street too late. I was editing another video for my other channel. Now if I walk all the way up this road here, can you see Walmart from here? No, the bushes and the trees and stuff. Traffic is heavy right now. You could actually walk up to the Walmart. As I said, it's a 12-minute walk, but for these knees, honey, 12 minutes is not what I'm trying to do when the Super Aki is right on the corner here. All right, so we're getting closer to the corner here. Gonna cross the street, but you can already see Super Aki's sign coming up. Right across the road there, I don't know if you can see that yellow building, but to the side of it, behind that white car, there is a little food place that we have yet to go to. I keep saying that I need to go check out that food place right there. I'll know I'm gonna reach it. I'm not generally a walker, guys. I walk when it's absolutely necessary. I like to have the convenience though, because like right now I only need a few things. I'm just gonna go walk to Super Aki. Okay, so they've stopped for us. And Mr. Flautas is open, thankfully. So we're gonna put in an order with Mr. Flautas. Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo están?
Ah, muy bien, buenas tardes. Hola. ¿Tiene pollo?
Sí, claro.
You want chicken or do you want beans too? Can I get 3 chicken?
Yeah.
Tres? I want
Beans
beans.
with cheese if you want.
Yes. Oh, you?
Yeah.
No, I need to practice my Spanish.
Okay.
Tres
Perfecto.
pollo.
Yo mi inglés.
How do you say beans again? Frijoles.
Frijoles.
¿Tres?
Sí. Entonces, tres de pollo y 3 de frijol.
Sí.
¿Con queso? Sin queso.
Con queso.
Con queso.
Yeah. Okay, Super Aki and back.
Okay.
Okay, gracias.
Con todo.
Huh?
Con todo.
Yeah. Con todo. See, I need to like come practice my Spanish much more with Mr. Flautas, because I like that he speaks a little bit of English, so when I stumble he catches me. I don't come out here as often as I should. Halloween has exploded across the road there. Didn't connect it. There you go, lots of Halloween stuff. I've never been in that store, so I'm not quite sure what it is, but we just know say Halloween turn up over there. All right, onto the store we go. Oh, let's hurry up. There's a break right here too. Right here, there's usually, I don't remember if it's a guy or a lady selling flowers. So if you want flowers for your house, usually can grab some there too. And this is a little strip mall that has a pharmacy and the Super Aki and some other stuff's back there. I don't know what's back there. I've never been that far, but yeah. Let's pick up a few items so that I don't have to cook for the rest of the damn week. Oh look, what are these called again? Marigolds. Marigolds are out. Hola. Is this rosemary? I need like a rosemary, you know. How much are these? No idea. I'm not buying one today anyway, but I love when the marigolds come out. Marigolds are key. They're always out for Day of the Dead. Should we get a pastry? Oh, look who's keeping me in check. All right, I came for bread, for milk, and what else do we need? What, mac and cheese? Okay. Look at these dried peppers, guys. Avocado. I love that they have my kind of pear from back home in Jamaica. I don't remember what these are called outside of Jamaica. We just call them pear. These are the ones that you guys know Mexico for, that has avocados. But this is the one that I'm used to and I love them. We are out of the supermarket. I have my bag. Munchkin has another one. That's why she had to come with me, so I wasn't carrying around these heavy bags. And now we are going to go pick up our flautas for dinner and head home. It's a something there for put on a little spectacles them we can see in at the supermarket because the eyes them all, bruh. The eyes them all. So these flouters, wow, I like Mr. Flouter so much, are only $1 a piece, meaning a US dollar. They're 20 pesos per flautas, and I bought 3 for me, 3 for Munchkin. So we're gonna have that for dinner and belly full for just what, at 61.20, $6. Love it. We're back.
What's up? ¿Vas a querer con picante? Sin picante,
Sí.
¿no? Con picante.
Sí.
Bastante. Doble. Tengo rojo y verde.
Rojo.
O combinada. Combinada es muy buena.
Okay.
Sí, pero mucho, poco, más o menos.
Más.
O mucho.
Sí, ¿verdad?
See, I can understand what you're saying, but when my brain tries to respond, it's just, ugh. Oh, what are those? You make empanadas too? Is that empanada? What is that?
Sí, son como empanadas. Hay en unos lugares les llaman empanadas, quesadillas. Nosotros les llamamos
Ah, I didn't know that.
doraditas.
Next time I want those.
Okay. ¿Quieres de estas?
See you next time. Next time.
Next
Proxima.
Si me esperas un poquito, te doy unas de cortesía para que las pruebes.
I have no idea what you just said.
¿No?
No entiendo.
If you wait 5 minutes more or less,
Uh-huh.
I can give you a
Oh.
gift, 1 or 2 for you.
Well, I will wait 5 minutes.
Okay.
Munchkin doesn't want to wait. But free food is free food. I can't stand it.
Sí. Chicos, le voy a dar una prueba. Pásame.
Oh, I didn't know it's so dark. I'll show you guys what it looks like when we get home. The flautas.
De las dos.
It's traffic hours, rush hours. Right here at this corner is where there is another food taqueria type place, and I still haven't been. You'll find these humps all over the city. So they give right of way to people who want to cross, passengers. Not passengers, what am I? Pedestrians like myself. So we don't have to stand on these busy streets and wait for someone to stop for us. Once I step on it, you're supposed to stop. There's a little pastry shop somewhere up there too, like right there. And then even further up, there's another spot that does Cochinita Pibil, which is supposed to be a big Sunday thing. I keep saying I'm gonna go out there, but my lazy ass. Where's your fan?
Mande.
Donde? Where's your fan? It's hot. How do you say fan in Spanish?
Most ready.
Okay. ¿Cuánto cuesta para?
De estas son 3 y 3, son 6, son 120. Este es un regalo mío. Las otras.
Ah.
Sí.
Okay.
Es para que ustedes las prueben.
Okay. No entiendo that last part.
¿No entiendes?
No. Hold this
¿Cómo?
thing into the I looked it up. ¿Dónde está tu ventilador?
Ya.
Sí.
Okay, está aquí abajo.
Ajá.
Pero no tengo luz.
Oh,
I don't have light.
no light. I see.
Yeah. That was broken.
Oh, because
Do you see
do
the
have
light?
light,
The
right?
red light?
Uh-huh. Oh, I see. Okay.
That's going to be green.
Yeah, you have to wait until that's it's broken. Maybe what? The hurricane, you think?
Yeah.
Or before that? Here's our flautas. So flautas is just the filling is rolled in tortillas and then deep fried and covered with lettuce and all kind of salsa. This one is, this looks like the beans, mama. And then these are the, what was the word? I thought it was empanadas, but it's doraditas, I think. I asked him not to want to dress them up. I just wanted to try it. This is our dinner for today, guys. Bon appetit. No, what would they say in Spanish? Bon provecho. There we go.